I'm off to my daughter's school to pick her up from school. I just want to show you guys what it looks like after 5 hours. It's still pretty much the same. Hey gems, welcome back again to my channel. It's your favorite girl, EmmieGold. If today is the first time you are seeing my face, please welcome. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. If you haven't, make sure to click on the red button below. It is free. It is totally free. Click on the red button below and also click the bell icon beside the red button to get notification whenever I post a new video. So since in today's video I'm going to do a tutorial on how to get a wet look for this hair. As you guys can see, the hair is kind of big now, and you know it's not all the time we'll be rocking this big hair. So today I want to show you guys how I achieve the wet looks, and the wet looks will last longer. So stay tuned. First thing we are going to need is water. Forgive me, my spray bottle broke, so I have no other alternative than to put water here, but you can use your spray bottle. So the first thing I'm going to do now is to wet my hair. I'm going to make sure there is no side that is dry. So let me wet the hair. Can you guys see the difference between the wet side and the dry side? Can you guys see the difference? Oh, I love both. I actually love both. If the hair is dry, if the hair is wet, I love it. So I just feel like to change the dry look to the wet look today. So let's keep spraying water till everywhere is wet. Not drench you. Don't put water that too much water. No, not too much water, just for it to be wet. You know what I'm saying now? So yeah, and you need to focus on the tips of the hair. You need to focus on the tips of the hair. Oh my god, just look at the coils. Look at that coils, guys. So I still have some places left, which is the back. So let's fold the back as well. So guys, I am done with spraying my hair with water. As you can see, this is the quantity of water that I use, not that much. So I'll proceed now to brush the hair out. I'll be using this comb to brush it out. So you want to start from the tip. You have to start from the tip, then you move upward from the tip upward. You can as well trim the end of your hair if you like. You can trim it out, but I am leaving mine. So you comb it. I'm almost done with one part. So comb it out, then you move to the other side. You start with the tips again. Start with the tips, then you brush up. So this is what it looks like after, you know, spraying with water and combing it out. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to add leave-in conditioner and like a oil. So guys, the leave-in conditioner I'm going to use is from Cantu for kids. You can use anyone that you have at home. You can use anyone available. This is the one that I have, and this is one I'm going to this is the one I'm going to use. And also this air oil. It is argan oil and vitamin C. It is from Gliscor. You can get this in any supermarket. It is very cheap and affordable. So the first thing I'm going to do is to put the oil in my hair. So I just need like few drops. Yes, then I apply it on the head. You know, it gives the hair that shiny look. If you feel it's not enough, you can add. You can add if you feel it's not enough. But I'm okay with this. Okay with it. So you can see all of the hair is wet. All of the hair is wet and cream. So now that I'm done applying the oil, I will go ahead and also apply the leave-in conditioner. Just a little amount, not much. Yeah, like this. This is the amount that I need. I hope you guys can see it. Yes, so this is the amount that I need. Then I'll go ahead and rub it in. You need to rub it in very well because you don't want any white leave-in conditioner to be showing. So rub it in. So yeah, leave-in conditioner and the oil is there. So I'll just go ahead again and brush it out like I did earlier. You can see the comb is going through easily. Can you see? Going to apply is a gel. So I'll be using this Eco Styling Professional Gel. This is maximum hold for all types of hair. You can use any kind of gel that you want. This is the one that I have at home. So this is what will make it stay longer. This is what will enhance the wet looks and it will make it last longer, because if you leave the hair like this, if the hair should get dry, I mean, it will go back to its former state. So I'm going to apply the gel. I'm going to apply a generous amount of gel, so like so. So I'm just trying to go in. Oh my god, I don't know if you guys can see the coils. It's like the lightning is too bright, I think, but I hope you guys can see it. Oh Jesus Christ. Guys, just look at that. Oh my god, just look at that. Oh jeez, sis, are you seeing this? Can you see this? Can you? So, oh my goodness. So I am done with one part of the hair. Guys, just you can notice the difference. Me looking at me like this, you will notice the difference. You will notice the difference. So I'll go ahead and apply the gel to this side. Yes, like so. Like so, like so. Oh my god. Oh my god, I am loving this look. I am loving this look. Seriously, I am loving it. So I'm going to take care of this area in a jiffy. Oh, Guys, can you see? Can you see? Yes, this is how to create the wet look. It is so easy with less product, cheap and affordable product. No link to the, no need looking for expensive product, guys. Just look. I don't know if you guys can see the coins. The coins is popping. It's popping. Yes. Oh God. So I'm just going to brush it out again. Just going to brush it out. Just a little. Oh God. Oh God, what are you saying? Sis, are you seeing this? Are you seeing this? Oh my goodness. Oh yeah. So guys, this is what it's looking like at the moment. I am done with my parting. You can apply gel in this area if you want, or got to bleed. You can also, you know, put some baby hair, but I don't really know how to do the baby hair of a thing. You know, your girl is still learning. So guys, I hope you can see it. Let me tune down the lightning. Just negodu cook my. See guys, just look at that. It's so beautiful. I've turned down the lightning, my ring light lightning, so that you guys can see, and I hope you guys can see it. And this is how it's going to be for the whole day, because the gel in it will hold the coils. It will hold the coils, and even when it gets dry, it won't go back to its former state, like the big you know what I mean now. So this is what it looks like. I'm loving this look, guys. I am loving this look. I am so loving it. Loving it. So Gemites, that comes to the end of today's video. Sis, if you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? What are you really waiting for? Click that red button below. It is free, sis. Support your girl. Let's take this ministry to the permanent side. Subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button so that you will get notification whenever I post a new video. Till the next time, sis. Till the next time. See you again. Bye bye. Stay beautiful. Oh my God, I'm loving this hair. Bye.